Hello designers, let's create a video with text overlays and reflections in Premiere Pro. First, use the text tool to add the desired text to the video. Ensure that the duration of the text layer matches that of the video. You can customize the text properties such as font, boldness, and size using the options available. Next, navigate to the Effects panel and search for the Track Matte Key effect. Apply this effect to the video layer, not the text layer, by double-clicking on it. Adjust the matte option within the effect settings from None to Video 2. This is because our text layer is located on the Video 2 track. Enable the project by clicking on it, then navigate to File, New, create a new adjustment layer. Drag and drop this adjustment layer onto the workspace, ensuring its duration matches that of both the video and text layers. With the adjustment layer selected, head to the Effects panel and search for Mirror. Double-click to apply this effect to the adjustment layer. Now, adjust the properties of the mirror effect. Bring the reflection closer to the nature text by modifying the X value, and rotate it to 90 degrees. Additionally, move the reflection downwards by adjusting the Y position. Next, create a mask on the adjustment layer using the Pen tool. Draw a mask that covers the nature text above. Once the mask is created, increase the feather amount to achieve a smoother reflection effect. And there you have it. Your reflection is complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs.